Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and app for low data use. Go to Instagram settings and enable Data Saver. This limits autoplay and background refresh. Once done, switch uploads to Wi-Fi only, draft posts while offline and post later. Make sure background app refresh is off system-wide because that silently consumes MBs. You'll save immediately by reducing auto video preloads and postponing large uploads until a strong Wi-Fi connection is available. Next, you change how content loads and what you upload. In the app, stop video autoplay so Reels and Stories don't stream unless you tap them. That cuts passive data use dramatically. When creating content, export images at 1080px and videos at 720p or lower to reduce file size. Also, favor photos or short clips under 15-30 seconds rather than long videos, because smaller files mean faster uploads and far less mobile data consumed. To finish, adopt simple daily habits and know what to do if usage spikes. Check your phone's data tracker and set a limit or alert so you don't exceed your plan. Schedule heavy uploads for Wi-Fi hours. Use offline editors to polish content before connecting. If you suddenly see high data use, force stop Instagram, clear its cache, and confirm background data is disabled. Then sign back in and monitor. That troubleshooting will catch runaway syncing or a stuck upload quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.